The opposition is taking issue with a joint select committee of Parliament making changes to the boundaries for the Portmore municipality. They argue that it should be done by the Electoral Commission of Jamaica, ECJ. But for government members of the committee, that's not the case. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm explains.
The Joint Select Committee was setting the foundation for discussions on the 2016 Local Governance Amendment Act. Among other things, it seeks to establish clear procedures to change boundaries of municipalities and to revoke the 2015 Municipalities Portmore Order. For opposition member Jackson, that was not in keeping with an April 2018 meeting at Vale Royal.
The opposition placed on the agenda of those meetings its objection to any legislative action that will circumvent the supremacy given to the EOJ for the ECJ, for dealing with any constituency or any political boundaries generally.
Mr. Jackson claims the position was accepted by the government. The argument was even put to the leader of government business through a letter, but according to Mr. Jackson, there was no response.
In keeping with that I consider solemn undertaking of the government not to proceed with any alteration of any political boundaries through any committees of the Parliament, it is difficult and impossible for the opposition to participate in such deliberations.
Government Committee member Everald Warmington took issue with Mr. Jackson's line of argument.
Rubbish. There's no such thing. The separation of St. Catherine and Portmore has nothing to do with the Electoral Commission. The Electoral Commission deals with boundaries for parish council divisions and boundaries for Parliament. The separation of St. Catherine from Portmore was written, the provision for that was written in the 2003 Municipal Act. So I don't know where this argument comes from.
Once you establish municipality boundaries, it most definitely will have implications on the direct role of the ECJ with respect to electoral boundaries and polling division boundaries.
Wentworth-Skeffrey cautioned against gerrymandering. It's the process of manipulating boundaries in favor of a party. Jackson is the MP for South St. Catherine and Colin Fagan South East. That issue aside, Chairman of the committee Desmond Mackenzie stated his position.
The Parliament takes precedence over the Vale Royal discussion, and any decision relating to the outcome of this committee will have to be taken by the Parliament, which was the one who previously took the position.
So Mr. Fagan and Mr. Jackson left the meeting while the committee continued. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.